What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits ng credit card na ito. Ano nga ba yung advantage? Pag-uusapan din natin guys yung possible credit limit ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. Magkano nga ba yung pwedeng maging credit limit nito? Magkano yung pinakamalaki at saka yung minimum credit limit. At the same time, yung peso rewards, paano nga ba mag-earn ng peso rewards sa BDO credit card. And then, of course, pag-uusapan din natin yung fees and charges, yung annual fee, and then yung application requirements, of course, kung ano yung kailangan yung i-provide, and then yung income requirement as well. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So to answer that question guys, regarding credit limit, magkano nga ba yung possible credit limit ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card? Guys, umaabot lang naman siya ng milyon. Yung minimum credit limit niya guys is nasa 100,000. And then, umaabot siya ng 2 million, 2.5 million. Depende siya guys sa credit history ninyo. Kaya naman kung ako sa inyo guys, kung mayroon kayong ibang credit card, alagaan nyo siya. You have to pay it on time. Huwag kayong magkakaroon ng lapses sa pagbabayad kasi magkakaproblema yung pangalan ninyo. Magkakaroon ng negative report si bank sa CIC, which is yung Credit Information Corporation. Sinasubmit nila yung reports kung paano kayo gumamit ng credit card ninyo. Meron ba kayong mga unpaid balance? Kaya naman, kung ako sa inyo, ayusin nyo yung pagbabayad ng credit card ninyo para bigyan kayo ng malaking credit limit ng bangko. Kasi sa BDO JCB Platinum guys, kahit kaka-issue pa lang, kahit ito ay binigay lang ng kusa ng BDO, maaaring umabot ng 1 million yung credit limit niya. It's because okay yung pangalan ninyo pagdating sa pagbabayad ng credit card due dates ninyo. So ito guys, nakikita nyo, ayan, BDO JCB Platinum. Ayan, nakikita nyo, zoom in ko guys, yan yung itsura ng credit card na sinasabi ko. JCB Platinum, the best card to use when in Japan. So, when we say JCB kasi guys, it stands for Japan Credit Bureau. Kaya naman ma-enjoy nyo yung most perks neto sa Japan. JCB Platinum, indulge in premium perks. Enjoy year-round deals, instant savings, and premium offers nationwide. So, as you can see, ayan si ate girl, masayang-masaya siya na hawak-hawak niya yung BDO JCB Platinum at saka may mga shopping bag siya. JCB Platinum, get travel insurance coverage of up to 20 million. Charge your airline and other transportation tickets to your card and explore the world without worries. So kailangan guys, kapag bibili kayo ng plane tickets or kung anumang adventure na plano ninyo, gamitin ninyo yung JCB Platinum Credit Card ni BDO para makovered kayo ng free insurance nila which is umaabot ng 20 million yung coverage. Ayan, nakikita nyo si ate girl, masayang-masaya siya, kasama niya yung ano niya, jowa niya yata yan. So, magto-travel sila, so wala siyang pake kahit matsugi siya kasi coverage siya ng 20 million insurance. Charot lang. Free JCB Airport Lounge Access. Enjoy free lounge access at select airports in Asia, Europe, and Hawaii. So, di ba, 3 countries yung ma-enjoy ninyo na free yung lounge access. So, ayan, nakikita niyo si ate girl, hawak-hawak niya yung cup of coffee niya, nag-check siya ng investment niya sa stock market or di kaya yung bonds niyong hawak. Nag-appreciate yung hawak niyong stocks, kaya masaya siya sa buhay. Eto guys, why choose JCB Platinum? Free membership fee for life. Valid for the principal card holder for a spend of at least 600,000 a year. So, kapag nakapag-spend kayo guys ng 600,000 within a year, automatic mawi-waive yung annual fee ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. Yung first year nito guys is naka-waive. On the second year, on the anniversary date, kapag na-meet ninyo yung 600,000, automatic siya mawi-waive yung annual fee niya. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee guys. Receive a lifetime annual fee waiver for 6 supplementary accounts. Kung gusto nyo applyan ito ng supplementary credit card, up to 6 supplementary card, free lang siya. So, exclusive platinum services guys. Meron siyang exclusive or dedicated customer service which is para lang sa mga platinum card holders, 24/7 concierge desk assistance. Peso rewards. Earn peso points for your everyday, everywhere purchases. So ito guys, pag-uusapan natin yung kung paano makapag-earn ng peso credit points or peso rewards sa BDO JCB Platinum. As you can see guys, shop for free with BDO Peso Rewards. Kasi yung peso rewards ni BDO guys, good as cash siya. Pwede siyang gamitin pang shopping or di kaya pambayad lang din ng credit card bills ninyo. Use your BDO credit card peso points. Redeem credit card peso points earned from your everyday, everywhere purchases. Ways to enjoy BDO credit card peso points. Number 1 is cash credit. Convert to cash credit as payment for your credit card balance or use extra funds for your shopping. So yun nga sabi ko, pwede siyang i-convert into cash. BDO rewards. Transfer to your BDO rewards card and use as payment when you shop at SM Store and SM Retail Stores. Shop for EGCs via BDOdeals.giveaway.ph. So pwede nyo i-transfer guys sa BDO rewards card ninyo sa BDO Pay guys. Kapag meron kayong credit card, pag open nyo ng BDO Pay, pwede nyo i-activate yung virtual BDO rewards card ninyo. Wala siyang physical card guys, virtual lang. Tapos pwede nyo ilipat doon yung points, then gamitin nyo siya pambayad kapag nag-scan to pay kayo using BDO Pay, using your BDO rewards card. Then kahit paano libre yung magiging shopping experience ninyo. Ganun siya. Pangatlo is pang SMAC. Transfer to SMAC or SM Advantage card and use as payment when you shop at SM Store and SM Retail Stores. So kung hindi kayo aware guys sa SMAC, SM Advantage card, meron kasi ako, parang work siya as ATM card, tapos nag-earn siya ng points kapag bumili kayo sa SM Affiliate Store. Then pwede nyo rin ilipat doon kasi itong SM Advantage card ay may account number siya. Pwede nyo ilipat doon yung points na na-earn ninyo sa credit card. Then ngayon, move on tayo guys kung paano mag-earn ng points sa BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. How do I earn points under this program? You earn 1 credit card peso point for every 1,000 qualified transactions. So paano nga ba naging qualified transactions guys? It's because hindi qualified yung mag-loan kayo or cash advance, hindi qualified yun. Kailangan gamitin nyo yung credit card ninyo, binili nyo siya isang store, tapos sinwipe na charge, ganun lang siya. Then, sa 1,000 pesos single receipt, automatic 1 credit card peso point yun. For example, your 2021 spend earns 2 peso points which is equivalent to 2 pesos. Then ngayon guys, move on tayo sa fees and charges ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. Uunahin ko na guys yung annual fee. Magkano nga ba yung annual fee ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card? So as you can see guys, Elite Credit Card's table of fees and charges. Titanium Platinum Mastercard, Visa JCB Platinum, Diamond Union Pay. So dito tayo guys sa may Titanium Platinum Mastercard. Nakikita nyo 4,500 yung annual fee ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. Tapos yung supplementary card niya guys is naka free for life up to 6 supplementary credit card. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung fees and charges, dapat maging aware kayo. As you can see, marami siya guys. So, pipiliin lang natin yung importante dyan. Hahaba kasi masyado kung uubusin ko yan. So, nandito monthly interest rate is 3%. Installment availment fee is 200 pesos for every approved cash installment transaction. 250 pesos for every approved balance transfer. 250 pesos for every approved balance convert peso transactions. Cash advance fee, itong cash advance fee guys, bawat transaction niya is 200 pesos. Tapos yung kinash advance ninyo is papatungan ng 3% on the next billing cycle. The late payment charge is 850 pesos or $20 or unpaid minimum amount due whichever is lower. Then nandito guys, last card replacement fee is 400. Halimbawa nawala, nagka-problema, nagka-fraud, nasira, kasalanan nyo. So kailangan nyo magbayad ng card replacement fee which is 400 pesos. Then yung refund fee, ano nga ba yung refund fee? Kapag nag-overpayment kayo, gusto nyo ipa-refund, 1% of the refunded amount or 100 pesos or $2.50 whichever is higher. Kapag hindi umabot ng 100 pesos, yung 1% ang ipapa-refund ninyo, automatic 100 pesos kasi whichever is higher. Tapos kung lumagpas naman ng 100 pesos, yung 1% ang ipapa-refund ninyo, automatic yun yung masusunod kasi whichever is higher. Then ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys yung application requirements. Check your qualifications. 21 to 60 years old for principal and at least 13 years old for supplementary card holders. Then ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin magkano nga ba yung income requirement ng BDO JCB Platinum Credit Card. As you can see guys, minimum gross fixed monthly income requirement is 77,000 pesos. So kailangan nag-earn kayo ng 77,000 every month. Then ngayon guys, yung mga documents na kailangan yung i-gather is yung proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant, of course. Valid IDs yun. And then of course, kailangan yung proof of income. Hindi mawawala yung proof of income guys. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching guys. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!